I just put on this APB brake kit, 16-inch rotor kit for the 21 and up F150. It's little scratches because truck hadn't been driven yet, and I just rolled it by hand, so that's the rust protective coating on there. They definitely say to check your wheel fitment before ordering the kit, and you should definitely do that, because as you see here, I have intro custom wheels, and there is not even a finger's gap between here, between the caliper and the wheel, and that's with a 1/2 inch spacer I just put in. Crazy thing for me is I put in the 1/2 inch spacer because I wanted the wheel to stick out towards the fender just a hair, and I already had those hub centric spacers for the F150 custom made a couple years ago, and I wanted the wheel to space out just a little, so I added longer wheel studs and put those spacers on while doing this brake kit. I didn't know that I would have to do it, but clearly with hardly any gap here, I had to put those spacers on, or the wheel wouldn't have fit. The wheel would have rubbed those brakes. And this is custom wheels, not even factory wheels. How they get them to fit behind factory wheels, I don't know. I don't think they do, I guess. I think they say that you need 20-inch bigger wheels. These are 24s. Still leaves a big gap. Doesn't even look like a big brake kit, but it is way bigger than the factory kit. I guess you can see in there. Got the air ride, got the airbag. It's got these Beltec spindles they put on, the airbag shop put on it to lower the truck, and the spindles got in the way when I tried to knock out the factory wheel studs. Like I said, I put longer wheel studs so that I could fit the spacer and still have plenty of thread for the lug nuts to grab. With the factory spindles, you can just hit those wheel studs with a sledgehammer. They pop right out, and you can take them out one at a time, put a new one in one at a time. With that Beltec spindle, the wheel stud hit it, so I actually had to pull the bearing hub out of the spindle, replace all the wheel studs, put the hub back into the spindle, bolt it all back down, tighten it up, put the spacer on with the brakes, and come to find out, it's super close. I really needed it. I'm glad I got it.